Well, here goes. I've got a confession to make. I've recently developed a serious addiction, but it's not drugs or alcohol. Don't worry. This addiction feeds my online wallets. It's nuts. Literally, all I do is post a funny meme like this example inside our new app, which takes all of 60 seconds to do, and then I simply go off and enjoy my day while that dumb little meme, so to speak, stuffs my app wallet with up to 500 or more passive commission payments throughout the day. All with zero traffic, zero selling, zero social media, etc. The only problem is I've become addicted to constantly checking my commission stats as they keep rolling in on autopilot. But I suppose that's not the worst addiction in the world to have, am I right? Now, in just a second, I'm going to reveal how this super fun and simple new app of ours can work equally well for you or virtually anybody. But first, do you recognize this shiny object? Now, it's a chunk of pyrite, better known as fool's gold, because it looks valuable, but it isn't. And fool's gold is what most online biz ops and money-making apps are, unfortunately. They're made to look and sound like gold, like the real deal, but when you actually get inside to take a closer look, you discover that they're virtually worthless time after time. And they're worthless because they don't actually solve the problems literally blocking you from even making your first dollar of profit online, let alone the thousands that I personally make every month like clockwork while I'm off having fun with my family, doing my hobbies, etc. If you sniff any of these fool's gold shiny objects out, so to speak, keep your money in your PayPal. Number one, endless free traffic apps that send junk traffic or, just post to social media. Done for you funnels that don't convert. Those are a dime a dozen these days. Blind offers that never fail to disappoint once you actually see the product, find out what it's all about. Copycat apps where the vendor just buys a private label script and slaps a new name on it. This is sadly very common, and the junk list goes on. It's enough to make me throw up in my mouth a little bit. Because even when you do encounter online biz ops and apps that technically work, let's face it, trying to squeeze money out of them is still like trying to solve a puzzle with the wrong pieces. How many of these wrong puzzle pieces have ended up in your pile? You're expected to have hundreds set aside to spend on paid traffic, and or you're left to spend hours scrounging up free traffic. It's just assumed you'll have an email list or a big social media following. You're forced to endure confusing, long-winded training. You're expected to actively move product, sell stuff, and on it goes. It's enough to make you wonder whether this is all just a show, whether it's a conspiracy where nobody actually makes money. But it's not a conspiracy. I totally get the skepticism. I was really skeptical too. But somehow I managed to solve the puzzle, and practically overnight, my online cash flow started coming in hot. I'm talking hundreds, thousands, and sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars in a single day, to the point that it feels surreal. Check it out. Now, I know you're probably thinking, real nifty, Brian. So you solved the puzzle and you're raking it in. Whoopee, but how does that help me? Well, hold that thought, because what I'm about to reveal is going to knock your flip-flops off. Our new app automatically flushes all of your online income struggles down the toilet. Can you hear the sound of that toilet flushing? That's the sound of literally all your online income struggles getting sucked into the sewer forever, thanks to our breakthrough new app that sends us as many as 500 or more individual commission payments daily, that doesn't require a single ounce of traffic, that requires no list, no social media, no websites, no hosting, no funnels, no YouTube, no ads. It requires no selling, no marketing, no giving away free stuff, none of it. Now, I could go on, but the big takeaway here is that even a Walking Dead zombie could make money with our new app. We've literally changed the game forever. Introducing MoolaMeme. Now, in a nutshell, MoolaMeme is the all-new meme-based version of the $600 million Medium.com platform. Maybe you've heard of Medium. Now, Medium users make up to $40,000 or more per month, But to make money on Medium, you have to write articles. Well, yuck, most people hate writing or aren't good at it. On the other hand, creating memes is instant, fun, and easy, something even kids love doing. So my team and I created MoolaMeme from the ground up to make easy autopilot money with funny and interesting memes like these. Now here's how we're making up to 500 or more commission payments daily out of thin air and on 100% autopilot after each meme we post. Now, step 1, we obviously log into MoolaMeme. Step 2, we create and submit a fun meme with MoolaMeme's super duper easy built-in meme generator. And then step 3, we get paid on autopilot every single time another MoolaMeme user, get this, simply clicks to like one of our memes. Now we call this a cash bump, and it's how anybody can get paid for memes on MoolaMeme to easily supplement online wallets that look like ours. A quick side note, you can click the big add to cart button below this video at any point to secure your copy of MoolaMeme before our discount clock expires. Now, if you could make $10,000 on a single meme, how many memes would you post to MoolaMeme? It's a fair question because users of Medium.com, for example, generate up to $16,000 for a single article. But again, who wants to write articles? Not many of us. Definitely not me. It's 100 times faster, almost instant, and way more fun, in my opinion, to post memes to MoolaMeme, where each and every meme is like its own little 24/7 autopilot income robot, always online and ready to get you paid while you're off having fun doing other things. Now at this point, you're probably worried you're going to have to pay a premium for a MoolaMeme account, and if you come back later, well, your high-ticket fears could come true. We're experiencing high server loads and incredible demand as MoolaMeme is literally generating autopilot commissions while you're watching this video. However, for a brief window of time, we're offering premium MoolaMeme app accounts at a huge flagship discount. So why take the major risk of leaving now and coming back later? Instead, I recommend locking in a MoolaMeme app account at your lowest fee possible right here and now. And don't say I didn't warn you. Simply click the add to cart button below to become a flagship MoolaMemer and let the fun begin. And rest assured your order is completely risk-free and backed by our 10 times money back guarantee. And just when you thought this deal couldn't get any better, assuming our servers don't detect you leaving this page before you order, we'll add a 100% free copy of our pro-level 60-second traffic app to your MoolaMeme account. In its short debut since launching in April, 60-second traffic has already generated over 2 million ad views and over 50,000 ad shares for its users. Now, MoolaMeme requires zero traffic, no traffic, so you will not need 60-second traffic for MoolaMeme at all, in case you were wondering. But of course, the thing is, you can still use 60-second traffic to send easy traffic to virtually any affiliate link or product that you like, that you're promoting online 24/7. So in other words, you can use it for other parts of your business. So again, go ahead and click the add to cart button below to secure your MoolaMeme app discount plus the Pro 60-second traffic account free bonus. And I look forward to seeing you and your memes inside MoolaMeme shortly. Well, P.S. Just for fun and motivation, I'll leave you with a few pics of me and my family off having fun while we're getting paid online, because that's what MoolaMeme is all about. So enjoy.